Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel Stylepedia. In this video, I'm going to share you the beautiful and elegant styles of makeup looks on Eid day. Keeping all points in mind, starting from trend and style and ending on the type of weather, we have everything figured out for you, and here are a few points that will significantly help you. With the days swiftly passing by us, the excitement of Eid is now almost around the corner, and everyone is really excited about completing the preparations for Eid. For women, there is always this rush to find the perfect dress and accessories to stand out and make a statement. So that true statement can't be made without an ideal makeup look on each day. Girls love makeup. Even you are no makeup girl, you would want to put on at least a little makeup on Eid for a fresh look and Eid selfies. Nowadays, peachy bronze makeup is perfect for any occasion, including Eid. So as this year Eid will be a scalding one, you should prefer minimum makeup, but the one that will make you look fresh and happy. It's a complete makeup look with the use of soft shades for eyes. So it is ideal for all the girls who prefer looking natural and don't want to go crazy with their makeup looks. You can create the same look by the following simple steps shared in this video. The overall look will be that of a naturally beautiful glow for the whole day. You can also go for a light color highlighter like pink or silver so that it will stand out and give you that beautiful glare. So do follow me on Instagram page and enjoy your Eid day with beautiful makeup looks. Take care. Allah Hafiz.